There's nothing like the smell of fresh plov cooked over an open fire. Today, I'm taking you back to the basics. We start with the prep. For a great plov, you need plenty of carrots, about 300 grams. Give them a good peel and a quick rinse. The secret is in the cut. Don't grate them. Slice them into long, thick straws about 5 centimeters each. This keeps the texture alive. Next, 150 grams of onions. Slice them into thin half rings. These will melt into the sauce and give us that rich color. Now for the protein. Ideally, you'd use lamb. But today I have some beautiful pork on hand. Cut it into 500 grams of hearty chunks. Pork or lamb? What's your favorite meat for plov? Write in the comments. Time to build the kitchen. I'm using silicate bricks as a stand and digging a small pit for better airflow. Let's get a real fire going. Don't miss our next outdoor feast. Hit subscribe. We need a lot of heat. Pour in 200 milliliters of sunflower oil. Wait until it's shimmering hot. Sear the meat first. We're looking for that beautiful golden crust to lock in all those juices. Salt the meat with 1 tablespoon of salt. Season with 1 teaspoon of pepper. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin. And go the onions. Fry them together until they turn a deep golden brown. Look at that color. That's where the flavor lives. Add the carrots now, let them soften and soak up all that seasoned oil and fat. While everything is sizzling, rinse the rice. Now pour 800 milliliters of water over the meat and bring it to a boil. For a bit of tang, I'm adding a tablespoon of dried barberries. It's the perfect contrast to the rich meat. Do you add barberries to your rice? Let me know your secret ingredients. Gently spread the rice over the top. Important, do not stir. We want the meat to stay at the bottom to braise. Lower the heat. Control the flame by adjusting the wood. We want a gentle simmer now. Once the water is halfway absorbed, cover it up. We'll let it steam for another 30 minutes on a very low flame. The moment of truth. The steam is perfect. Give it a deep mix to bring those carrots and meat to the top. And there it is, campfire plov. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button and bon appetit.